Good morning, all. This is Sarup Chogule from grade 9. I am going to tell you today's day and date. The day is Friday and the date is 12 September 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, all. This is Veer Bhosle from grade 9th. Every Friday we have fun facts. So today's fun fact is about dolphins. I would like to quote a true friend's loyalty echoes through time, just like a dolphin's call. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning all. I am Vaishnavi Shendure from grade 9.
My name is Tanishka Mai from grade 9th.
I am Tasmi Auti from grade 9th.
This is Swarajan Chogle from grade 9.
We are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing World Dolphin Day, celebrated every year on September 12th. A special day to raise awareness about dolphins and how to protect them. Dolphins are smart, friendly and very important for the health of oceans.
Let's share some amazing facts about dolphins. Dolphins are very intelligent and can learn tricks. They can talk using the clicks and whistles. Dolphins swing up to 40 km per hour.
Dolphins are needed to be protected because of following reasons: getting caught in fishing nets, illegal hunting. Some dolphin species are now endangered.
Some famous dolphin species are bottlenose dolphin, spinner dolphins, and Ganges river dolphins and orcas.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that keep water bodies clean and say no to the plastic.
Drone throw garbage in sea and rivers. Support dolphin and rescue their group.
Let's wish that dolphins swim free, safe and happy in clean ocean.
Let's protect our underwater friends.
Thank you.